Hey guys, I'm having an issue with this car. I'm trying to get it to idle on the turbo and it won't idle. It's roughly idling. I'll try to start the car and I don't know what's going on. I need help on trying to get this thing to actually idle because I want to drive this thing on the turbo, but I can't if it won't run properly. It'll run fine without the turbo on it. It'll run just fine. And then I gotta put the turbo on it. It doesn't want to run. I need some help. So please, someone help me figure out how the fuck are you? So I'm gonna try to start it. Here goes nothing. That's what it does. Does anyone know why it's doing that? Do I need to adjust something? Do I need to do something? Or what? I'm gonna try a couple things real fast, but I don't know. How about we just move this completely off where it's not reading anything at all. Now I'll try starting it, and if it does anything else, then hopefully I might have a bad mass airflow sensor, I don't know.